Here is a cross section of a typical house. You've got basement or, some kind of, yeah, it's a basement. You got your laundry in the basement, water heaters. You can see your red and blue, your hot and cold lines, your hot lines to your sink and your utilities and your tub, but only a cold line to the toilet. So, things are thought out how they go, where they go. And then the drain lines are in green. And so this is under the building. So if we're trying to get into there, as you can imagine, we've got to dig a hole, and we'll talk about that. But when we go from the outside of the building to the street, that's called a side sewer. We'll get into that. But the other part of a drain system is the venting system. And so that yellow area is the vent portion of the drain system. So venting, think of it like, if you're old enough, you'll remember those cans of juice where you'd have to take the can popper and pop one side and pop the other side. Or if you've filled up the lawnmower with a gas can and it has that little knob, you unscrew and it allows the flow to happen faster. Or if you're still in college and you're shotgunning beers, you pop the top in it so you can drink it faster. That drain or the vent keeps the water from going glug, 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 glug down and allows it to flow. So your vent goes out the roof, and sometimes we'll deal with new roofing pieces there.